this is Coach Budoy again guys. So dito na tayo guys. Siyempre guys, pag may mga gantayang klaseng video guys, automatic na yan guys, may ensayo tayo dito sa Katara. So ayan guys, oh, look at the sun. Napakaganda, sikat ng araw. Pero ang alon guys, pag nakita nyo guys, mamaya papakita ko sa inyo. Pakita ko sa inyo ang alon. Hindi naman siya ganun kalakasan, pero may hangin kasi. So titingnan natin mamaya kung gaano tayo makaka-survive. Hindi tayo makatawid ng isla. Okay? Ayan, pakita natin. Bangka, uncover. Ayan, no? Kung narinig niyo yung alon, yung hangin. Ayan, no? Magulong masyado. Wala masyadong nagtitrain team ngayon kasi katatapos na ng race last week. So, karamihan nagpahinga. Diba? Ayan. Ayan, medyo malon. Ay, ako. Okay guys. Ayan guys, mamaya samahan nyo kami guys ha. So, kita-kita tayo sa bangka. Sabay. Haba-haba lang. Okay, last 2-0, ready? Go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, easy. Go! 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 Side twist. Gamit ang sipa. Go! 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 Kick the boat guys, kick the boat. Go! 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 Side twist, side twist. Gamit ang sipa. Go! 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 Kick the boat, guys. Kick the boat. Go! 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 Check your blade alignment. Check lifting arm. Go! 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 Easy. Dikit lang tayo sa kanila, dikit. Very light. See? Hold, 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 hold. Hold, hold.
Are you ready? Attention! Row! Uy, lakas lang.
Ilang stroke ba? Ilang? 30 days? Okay. Second set. Second pair. Stand by. Are you ready? Soon. Go. 1, 2, 3. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 1. Check your partner. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Easy. Nice one. Tayo mga kami dito, tapusin na namin to isang set.
Light throwing, light throw. Sundan natin sila. Okay, wait. 5 stroke lang. Are you ready? All together, ha? All together.
See, stand by. Are you ready? Attention. Go. Palo. Palo. May, angkat na saguan, May. Labas mo yung saguan mo. Yung lifting arm. Para makadikit yung ano mo, blade mo sa unahan. Yan, align na, align. Nice one, ganyan lang. Okay, light paddling. Now. Easy. Let it glide. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Six, 7, konti lang, 8, 9, push! Easy, easy, easy. Okay guys, Coach Budoy again guys, natapos ang araw natin to guys. Sa araw to, medyo lumalakas yung hangin. Kaya tinigil natin ang ensayo. Okay? So, tutuloy natin sa susunod na weekend ang ensayo natin. For the meantime, basic muna tayo. Okay? Since katatapusan ng karera. So again guys, yan ang alon. Okay? Okay guys, pa-like naman tayo dyan guys. Ito, like button tayo guys. At sa mga hindi pa naka-subscribe guys, please subscribe naman tayo dito. Then click the bell button dito na rin para ma-notify tayo sa next adventure natin and training dito sa Doho Qatar guys. So see you on my next flight. So this is Coach Budoy again, signing off for today. Bye bye.